Just when we thought we were turning the corner with this pandemic, new infection numbers are rising at an alarming rate in at least 32 states. Now that raises the question whether local governments ended their lockdowns too soon. The United States now hitting a record high for new daily confirmed coronavirus cases, nearly 40,000, surpassing figures from the end of April.
Unfortunately, I don't see an end in sight. We are going to continue to have this acceleration of cases.
With the number of new cases rising at an alarming rate, at least 11 states are now pausing or rolling back reopening.
It was my opinion then we were opening too quickly, too soon.
Now, Houston's mayor is recommending people stay at home again. And as of noon today, Texas ordered the closing of all bars. Neighboring Louisiana and New Mexico also pausing their reopening. Other states like North Carolina, Kansas, and Arizona as well.
We expect that our numbers will be worse.
In Florida, the day reopening began a month ago, fewer than 1,000 new cases were reported. Today, nearly 9,000, an all-time high. Still, no statewide mask orders. Miami, however, will fine anyone not wearing one.
The overwhelming majority now of people getting infected are young people.
As we see new cases rising, and we're tracking them very carefully, there may be a tendency among the American people to think that we are back to that place that we were 2 months ago. The reality is we're in a much better place.
In fact, in the 8 weeks since the last briefing by the Corona Task Force, more Americans have died, infections have surged, and the U.S. set a record for daily new cases. As many are pausing their reopenings, American Airlines is planning to return to some sense of normalcy on July 1st when they resume booking middle seats while still employing other safety measures. The latest number of new cases are alarming, but the CDC tells us for every one person who tested positive with the virus, 10 have gone undiagnosed, which means that an estimated 20 million Americans have possibly been infected. Amid the negative news, there is a positive. The number of coronavirus deaths are down dramatically. Much of that attributed to younger people becoming infected and the development of several new treatments. Reporting from home, I'm Marvin Scott, Pix 11 News.